cool old creek waterway thing. These places are really good for finding treasure, where you get the drains coming out into them. Look at that, look at the rocks, how well placed they are, all the stones. Beautiful, beautiful oaks. Look at this, guys. Looks like a place in England, but it's not. It's in Australia. It's in Australia. Look at that, going down there. More well-placed rocks. More modern concrete poured in there. See, there's a drain. Gonna go down there. Guys, this is cool. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. So guys, we're going to have a closer look. See this old drain? I doubt it this one. That's been concreted. But not this one. But if you look where the drains come into these old systems, and if you got clay and just like gravel, that's often where you'll find treasure. But this one's been concreted and stuff, preserved and all that, so it's not as easy to find stuff, if you get what I mean. But yeah, how nice is it? Look at this. They really keep this place going, which is good to preserve it. These are some pics I took today. The weather was really beautiful. We had storms last night. It was very clear and fresh. Might get some more storms tonight or during the day, but I hope you appreciate and enjoy this. Another beautiful tree. I'm not sure what this one is. Oh wow.
So you would have seen me on programs such as Nature Does Ginger, or Ginger Lost in Nature. Nah, anyway, cut that out. Anyway, so we're in Blackwood